Hi everyone! Diwali for me is all about family get-togethers and celebrating this festival in a traditional manner. In the south, we get up very early in the morning, take a nice oil bath and burst crackers. Then we all sit together and enjoy the homemade sweets and snacks. There are a few homemade sweets and snacks that features every year in the Diwali menu. In fact, this is the best thing about the traditional recipes, and today I'm going to share one such family favorite, the Moong Dal Laddoo. Nutrition rich and so easy to make too. Now without delay, let's start cooking. So all our ingredients are ready. I've taken 1 cup moong dal, 1 cup sugar, 1/4 cup ghee. Next I have taken rose petals, grated pistachios, 2 cardamom pods and 1 clove. Let us first dry roast the moong dal. Dry roast it over low flame. Dal has to fry well. Dal is now well roasted. I am switching off and I am going to transfer this dal into a plate for it to cool for a few minutes. Now it's been cooling for a few minutes. Now we are going to do the most important step in this recipe, that is we are going to grind the roasted dal. Traditionally, my mother-in-law would powder the dal in a stone grinder, that is a silbata, as it would give unique taste and texture, and we all know that silbata preserves the nutrients in the food. Let me tell you that I get the same taste and texture and nutrition intact when I grind the dal in Bajaj mixer grinder. It has the amazing Nutri-Pro feature that preserves the nutrient content of the ingredients even after grinding. So our roasted moong dal powder is now ready. It has the right texture. Now I'm going to transfer this to a wide bowl. So now I'm going to grind the sugar, and here is a pro tip. I'm going to add 2 to 3 cardamom pods and 1 clove along with sugar. This gives a great flavor to the laddus. Now transfer the sugar. See how beautifully it is powdered. The sugar powder to the moong dal mixture. We are going to mix it well. I'm going to add grated pistachios and rose petals. You can add fresh or dried rose petals. Mix it well. Now we are going to heat ghee. I have taken 1/4 cup ghee. The ghee has to be really hot when we mix it into the laddu. So we are going to heat the ghee. The ghee is hot. I have switched off. So I'm going to add ghee little by little into the sugar dal mixture and mix it with a spoon or a ladle because the ghee is really hot. So now when we pinch the dough, we should be able to make laddus. That's the right consistency. See, when you press, you will be able to make a laddu. So grease your hands with ghee and start making laddus. You can shape them in the sizes you want. Our delicious Moong Dal Laddus are now ready. Raghu, Moong Dal Laddoo.
So tempting.
I'll hold it for you. How's it?
Delicious. Nostalgic. Reminds me of my childhood.
Correct.
Too good. My mom used to make it so well and you have made it really good.
Thanks.
The best
Raghu.
part is, I like the touch of pistachios on the top.
Yeah, it looks colorful also and it adds to the taste.
Why don't
Yeah,
you also
yeah.
have a small bite?
Thanks, Raghu. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali to all of you.
So yum. You must try it out.
So do try out this nutrition-rich Moong Dal Laddoo this Diwali and share your feedback with me. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking.